Okay, that's the other side, so... Man. Oh, wait. Are they trying to, over there, add some material? Or it's just number tape? But, looks less like a construction site now. But yeah, windows look pretty accurate. Oh, and a thruster. Maybe it could be a thruster or something. Let's do peek in. Well, inside only still looks like a construction site, you know. Oh, and there's some metal materials walls already. Only on this specific looking area. Holy fuck. Only if it's reflected by the sun, it would look beautiful. Overall, very drastic, very solid. Very solid for what it is.